Good day, sir. This interview tends to show how technology affects the job of each hotel members. This shows on how they handle workload by using different machineries and gadgets related to their work. These data will tell you on how it contributes on hospitality industries nowadays.
I'm Glenmark Enriquez presenting my part, the demographic profile. Let's start with the age. Based on a survey of 15 hotel employees, the most of the respondents were 24 years old, having 26.7% with the range from 22 to 35 years old. And from the gender, 60% were male and 40% female. Next, the name of company currently working. Most common were Hotel Sogo, Novotel, Okada, and Soler, with 13.3% each. Their position in their current work, front desk agent, receptionist, and food and beverages attendant, were most common, 26.7 each, followed by housekeeping attendant, 20%. Departments, front office reception have 26.7%, also food and beverages service 26.7%, and housekeeping having 20%. The length of employment, most common length of work was 1 year, 33.3%, and the education, 93.3 held a college degree, and 6.7% finished high school.
Number 1. The chart shows that 86.7% of respondents, 40% strongly agree, plus 46.7% agree, feel that hotel systems like PMS, POS, and reservation platforms make them work faster than they can handle. Number 2. The graph shows that 33.3% strongly agree and 53.3% agree they are expected to accomplish more tasks. The remaining percentage is split among somewhat agree, neutral, somewhat disagree, disagree, and strongly disagree. Number 3. The graph shows that 86.6% of respondents agree that using hotel technology systems increases their workload and time pressure. 20% strongly agree, 33.3% agree, 33.3% somewhat agree, 13.3% are neutral, and 0% disagree. This suggests that the majority of hotel staff feel the technology system add to their workload and time pressure. Number 4. The chart shows that 33.3% somewhat agree, plus 13.3% strongly agree, plus 13.3% agree equals 60% of respondents. They agree to some extent that digital tools make it difficult to manage their workplace. The remaining 40% are split evenly among neutral, somewhat disagree, disagree, and strongly disagree, each 13.3%. In short, majority feel digital tools somewhat hinder their workplace management, while the rest are split in being neutral or disagreeing. Number 5. The graph shows that 40% of the 15 respondents were neutral about being pressured to respond immediately to digital tasks or system notifications during their shift. The remaining 60% were split evenly, 13.3% each, among strongly agree, agree, somewhat disagree, and disagree. Number 6. Based on the graph, 40% of respondents agree that they have to stay connected to hotel systems even after working hours, while 20% strongly agree. On the other hand, 13.3% somewhat agree, somewhat disagree, and neutral each. There are no respondents who disagree or strongly disagree. Overall, a majority, which is 60% of respondents, agree to some extent that they have to stay connected to hotel systems after hours.
Widespread always-on culture where work-life boundaries are blurred. For item 7, most of hotel staff, 56.3%, feel pressures to answer work requests on their day offs, revealing. For item 8, more than half of the hotel staff, 57.9%, agree that hotels' digital tools actively blur work-life boundaries, indicating an urgent need to review current system policies and implementation. Work-life separation is staying constantly connected in this norm. Nearly all hotel staff, 92.9%, routinely check work messages during personal time, confirming that struggling with. For item 10, nearly half of the employees, 46.7%, agree that technology use works hinder their ability to fully relax when there are day offs, indicating a significant impact on their personal time and well-being. For item 12, half of the employees, 50%, agree that it takes long time to become comfortable using hotel system, suggesting substantial need for improvement in system, training, or overall usability and improve their user experience. For item 13, fewer than half of the staff, 43.8%, agree that hotel technology is too complicated, indicating the need to make system less complex.
For item 14, most respondents need more training. 46.7% strongly agree, 20% agree, for a total of 66.7%, then 13.3% neutral, and 6.7% each for somewhat agree, somewhat disagree, and disagree. For item 15, 40% disagree, meaning most do not feel frustrated by new software. Still, 26.7% strongly agree and 6.7% agree. So about third feel frustrated, the rest 20% neutral and 6.7% somewhat agree.
Part 3, Job Autonomy, is Scheduling Flexibility. 1. I have control over when I begin and finish my tasks during my shift, with 46.7% agreeing, 20% neutral, and 13.3% somewhat agree. Number 2. I can decide the order in which I complete my daily hotel tasks, with 46.7% agreeing and 26.7% somewhat agreeing, and 13.3% strongly agree. Number 3, I am I am able to adjust my schedule to accommodate guest needs or unexpected work demands, with 46.7% agreeing, 33.3% neutral, and the 20% strongly agreeing. B. Decision freedom. Number 4. I am allowed to make decisions on how to handle guest requests or complaints, with 60% agreeing and 13.3% strongly agreeing and somewhat disagree. Number 5. I can use my judgment when resolving guest-related problems without always needing supervisor approval, with 40% strongly agreeing, 33.3% agreeing, and 13.3% disagree, and other 6.7% somewhat agreeing. Number 6. I have the authority to make small but important decisions that affects guest satisfaction, with 46.7% agreeing and 20% strongly agreeing and somewhat agree. A portion of 30.3% remain neutral.
These results, a vast majority with 73.4% report a positive sense of method control autonomy. This indicates the organization foster a positive climate where staff feel empowered to exercise judgment and choose effective work methods, which is linked to higher job satisfaction. In this result, 60% of staff feel empowered to use hotel system efficiently, but the remaining 40% indicates a need to review system training and documentation to improve clarity and boost confidence in workflow optimization. These show that there is a high level of digital anxiety towards new technology, with 60% of respondents agreeing they feel tense or anxious. This suggests a significant challenges in adoption of new system. Addressing this core anxiety is crucial for successful technology implementation. This showed a strong majority with 73.4% worry about making mistakes. This is the highest combined agreement across all questions. Fear of error is a primary component of the staff's technology anxiety and is a central driver of their discomfort with hotel systems. In this results, a very high level of frustration. Uneasiness is related to the learning curve, with a 64% of respondents are agreeing. Staff members expect immediate intuitive understanding. A failure to grasp that system quickly escalates their discomforts and contributes significantly to overall digital anxiety. In these results, reactions are mixed, with just over half, 53.3%, feeling nervous, but a very large portion, 40%, remaining neutral. While initial apprehension exists, many employees may adopt a wait-and-see approach before fully internalizing the anxiety.
For item 9, 53.5% feel less capable when using hotel technology. That includes 26.7% strongly agree and 26.7% agree, 20% are neutral, 13.3% somewhat agree, and only 6.7% disagree. For item 10, over half 53.3% also feel self-doubt, 33.3% strongly agree, 20% agree, then we have 13.3% neutral, 13.3% somewhat agree, and 6.7% each for the last three disagreeing categories. For item 11, the biggest group is 26.7% disagree, meaning they feel capable, but we still see 13.3% strongly agree, 13.3% agree, and 13.3% somewhat agree. 20% somewhat disagree, and both neutral and strongly disagree are 6.7%. For item 12, results are mixed. 33.33% disagree, showing confidence. 13.3% strongly agree. 6.7% agree. 20% neutral. 20% somewhat disagree. And 3.3% each for somewhat disagree and strongly disagree.
The chart shows a strong sense of accomplishment, with 53.3% strongly agreeing and 33.3% agreeing, but only 6.7% somewhat agree and 6.7% strongly disagree. The charts show a high satisfaction with task variety, with 3.3% agree and 40% strongly agree. Only 6.7% are neutral and no one disagree. The charts show a positive perception of skill use, with 53.3% agree and 26.7% strongly agree that their job allows them to use their abilities effectively. Meanwhile, 13.3% are neutral and 6.7% somewhat agree, with no disagreement reported, and no one expressed dissatisfaction. The survey shows very high satisfaction with the responsibility given to handle guest concerns, with 86.6% agree or strongly agree. Only 13.3% are neutral or disagree. The chart shows strong approval of using creativity and initiative, with 40% strongly agree, 26.7% agree, and 20% somewhat agree. Only 13.3% are neutral, and no one 0.7% are neutral, and no one disagree. The chart shows strong satisfaction with learning and skill building opportunities, with 33.3% strongly agree and 33.3% are agree. Another 26.7% somewhat agree and
is 20%. On extrinsic satisfaction with the question of I am satisfied with the pay and benefits I receive from the hotel is 33.3% of the respondents are agree, 26.7% are somewhat agree, and both neutral and strongly agree. With the question of I am happy with the way my supervisor manages and supports me, 53.3% of the respondents are strongly agree, both neutral and agree are 20% and 6.7% for the somewhat agree. With the question of I am satisfied with the way hotel policies and procedures support employees, 32.3% of the respondents are strongly agree, both agree and somewhat agree are 26.7% and 13.3% for neutral. Strongly disagree. With the question of I am satisfied with the training and development opportunities provided by the hotel, 32.3% of the respondents are strongly agree, both agree and neutral are 26.7% and 6.7% for. With the question of I am satisfied with my chances for promotion for advancement, 40% of the respondents are agree, 32.3% of the respondents are strongly agree, 20% is neutral, and 6.7% is somewhat disagree. With the question of I am satisfied with the quality of the equipment, facilities, and tools available to perform, 53.2% of the respondents are agree, 33% strongly agree, and 13.3% are neutral.
7 says neutral. In social satisfaction, question number 13 is I have a positive and friendly relationship with my coworkers. The data indicates that 46.7% is agree, 40% is strongly agree, and the remaining data is 6.6%. Question number 14 is my colleagues and I cooperate effectively to provide excellent guest service. The data shows 40% respondents is strongly agree and agree. 13.3% says agree, and the remaining data 6.7% is neutral. Question number 15, I feel respected and appreciated by my coworkers. The data shows that 40% respondents is agree, 33.3% is strongly agree, 13.3% remain neutral, and 6.7% is strongly disagree. Question number 16, the teamwork among front office staff contributes to a pleasant work environment. The data demonstrate that 40% of respondents strongly agree, 26.7% agree, 20% remain neutral, and 6.7% strongly disagree. Question 17 says that I am satisfied with the overall social atmosphere in our workplace. The data shows 46.7% selecting agree, 40% choosing strongly agree, and the remaining data 13.3% says neutral.
As conclusion, as the technology advances, employees should cope up with the advancement. Being in hospitality industry, they tend to use this as part of their duties. This can either help them or being added onto their new knowledge and mastery. technology can have a big impact on our life.